I'm just removing some calcium from a shower screen. This is the area that I'm going to do here. I'm using a product which is called OMG WOW Calcium Remover. So basically the first thing that you do is spray the screen with just some regular water. You want to make sure that there's no sand or grit or anything on there because that can scratch your screen. And then with this white pad that's applied, spray that with water also. Using the OMG Calcium Remover, you add a little bit of powder to the pad and then apply to the area that you've just sprayed with water. Now you scrub this on using a moderate kind of pressure, not too hard, not too soft, just in a circular motion like that. So if you're doing the full screen, you'd do it all. You leave that on for around about 5 minutes. You should really be wearing protective gloves. I've not, I'm just doing a small sample area, but if you're doing the full area, definitely look at wearing some protective gloves. Once that's been on for 5 minutes, you're going to wipe it off. If it starts to dry out a little bit, just with a little bottle of water, just keep it wet. And then after 5 minutes for best results, you need to be wiping it off. So if you've got a big area, you'd be spraying it down with a shower screen, shower head, sorry, and then you just use a cloth to wipe it down. Then afterwards, if you want to get a better result, you might want to buff it up with a microfiber. I'll just show you how it's done. And that's your calcium removed. If you do that maybe say once every 6 weeks or so, it'll keep on top of your shower screens and you'll have nice clean showers looking like now. One of the tubs will do approximately a standard kind of shower. These are 3 panels. It'll do around about 3 showers. So if you do it once a month, a tub may last you 3 months.